Hey guys, it's Brock here with another banger. Today I gave my friend $5 to complete the mystery challenge of getting a basketball. So
you gotta line me up over there too.
we're trying to cop this sweet basketball.
Did you send it to me?
We're gonna do a giveaway and give away the basketball to one lucky subscriber. So here we go. Beautiful balls.
Bro's getting $5 in quarters.
Can you send it to me?
I did. I sent you one of my videos. Yeah, guys, go follow Ballin before Ellen. Guys, this one's going up on his YouTube channel. I'm just the banger.
Bro, he got $5 in quarters.
No way.
Look at him.
Oh my God, I'm gonna clip this. $5 in quarters. That is amazing, bro.
New quarter. 2022.
No.
Oh my God.
No way, bro.
That's a rare relic.
It's a rare relic.
No way.
Give it pennies.
We're also giving away that too to a random subscriber. Subscribe now. Let's get it.
We're putting the relic in the machine.
Oh, the relic is going in the machine. And look at this beautiful machine full of beautiful balls. We have the claw right here. It's moving. The claw.
It's moving, Jeff.
The
Jeff,
claw.
it's moving.
Moving.
Oh, I just scammed them. I went 3 of them in there.
No,
Is it lined up? How many have been lined up?
No.
No.
Are you
For the Dolphins?
Is it over the thing though?
No, I think, let's go that way. 1, yeah, good. I think,
It's not lined up.
yeah.
But if it goes down, we'll
You
hit
have
it.
6 seconds. 5
No,
seconds.
you're good. Oh! Oh!
Scam.
It's been scammed, guys. The relic was captured. No get.
Bro, you had
It's a sad day for us gamers.
Bro, go
If you're a gamer, you must understand the joke, guys.
Is it lined up again?
Yeah,
Action?
oh wait.
Bet.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Bro!
It's got.
No!
It's gotta fall in this way. You got it. Very on the top.
What is this game, guys? What is this game? There's too many hackers in this lobby.
Ben? Alright, let's go. We got it this time.
It's the icky water challenge. Oh, the icky.
Am I good?
Go like the recent. Go like the recent icky water challenge
Oh, wait.
by this dude before Ellen.
I think that's good.
Oh.
No, we sold!